If you want to back up your iPhone 16e to iCloud, you have to open up your settings. After that, we have to open up our iCloud. There it is. So choose your iCloud. Here you can see the list what is saved to iCloud, right? So you can turn off or turn on some different options. Here is your iCloud backup. Make sure that it's on. Make sure that you can back up over mobile data if you need this. And to perform a backup, simply press backup now. Now give your iPhone some time to perform a backup. Boom, now we have our backup. Our backup is always in our iCloud storage. So easy is that. Also, if you see your green color here, it's a good sign. It means your backup is complete and the space is enough. However, if you see yellow or gray or red, it means that you have some issue with it. And basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.